coming along to give you a little update on a sewing challenge slash collaboration. Sorry, aeroplane going over. Multiple aeroplanes. Oh, someone high up travelling on a holiday. So as I said, I'm just popping on to do a little hello and a little update on a sewing challenge slash collaboration that I'm doing with Gemini Stitches. I'll pop her details down below. She and I have got together and decided, we started off with one little thing and it's now grown into three. We're going to do a sewing bee style challenge. If you'd like to join in, please drop us a message either on mine or Gemini Stitches YouTube or over on Instagram, where you can find me as Sequin Girly. We're happy for about 4 or 5 people together to be involved, but what we'd like to do is work on this together. There are 3 parts to our challenge. I'm going to put the slides in now as I explain them. So we're starting on the 1st of July. Part 1 is going to be a pattern challenge, so we're going to send each other a pattern and then we have to make it with it and then we'll share it with each other. Part 2 is going to be a refashion, so we're either going to go out and buy something from a chair shop or use something we've got and refashion it. And then part 3, we're going to use a free pattern and we're both going to use the same one and then see what we create using our own unique style to make something from that free pattern. Can't wait, it's going to be really exciting and there'll be little videos along the way for each one, but I just thought I'd drop by and let you know about our challenge. And as I say, if you think it's something you'd like to be involved in, do drop a message. We are looking to see if another couple of people would like to join us. We don't want it to get too big, but we'd like a little small group and we're very excited about doing this together. We got quite carried away over the weekend coming up with ideas, but I know Gemini Stitches has talked about it on her video too, so I'll pop a link into that below. But lots of exciting things to come.